How to choose IPTV server for the hotel. Let's take a look at the hotel scale first. A 15-room inn. We can use 7100S model as IPTV server. Let's check the parameters of 7100S. Which model of server to use depends on the load capacity. The 7100S can support up to 100 users and 40 SD channels. If there are only 15 users, we can receive more, like 80 SD or some HD channels, and it costs just over $1,000. Let's look at the 7100S appearance and interface. Front size. CH227 1000M ports. As IP input, it supports HTTP, UDP, RTP, RTSP, and HLS protocols. CH1 input. We can use it as the web management interface for the server. IP output. IP out over HTTP, UDP, HLS, and RTMP. USB port. It can connect keyboard internal debugging. This port is reserved for future. Back size. Socket. VGA port for connecting displayers. In the IPTV HLS solution, 1. The program signal source will first reach the server. 2. The server will convert the stream into the HLS protocol stream as output. 3. The server in the machine room communicates with the TV set-top box in each room through the core switch. Let's check the links. Live TV. Command link.
STB, switch, internet, IPTV live server.
When the user uses the remote control to select a live program, and the TV or box transmits the command to the server via internet. Live streaming links.
Data, switch, IPTV server, internet, STB.
The front-end signal source is transmitted to the server through the switch, and the IPTV server receives the request from the TV box and pushes the specified program out. VOD, command link.
STB, switch, internet, IPTV server.
When the user uses the remote control to click on the movie, and the set-top box will transmit the command to the server via internet. VOD data link.
Data, IPTV server, internet, STB.
As the source of VOD programs is stored in the server's hard disk, when the server receives instructions from the user, it pushes the program stream to the TV box directly.